70% of people go to work every day to a job that they hate. 7 out of 10 people don't like their job. Wow, that's insane. That's insane, and it's totally unnecessary. See, initially we usually take a job because people are willing to pay us to do something, and when we need a job, we'll almost do anything that people are willing to pay us to do, within reason. But it doesn't have to be just merely about us earning money. See, if we elevate the work to be more about what other people need, about serving the needs of the world and of other people in our communities, now we're no longer just having a job to earn money. Man, now we have a vocation. And when we focus on what we're good at, like what we do better than anything else that we do, then now we elevate it to a profession. And now we're doing work that we're uniquely gifted and qualified to do. And that's our calling. That's our purpose in life, is to do what we're here to do, right? And then finally, when we think about what we're really passionate about, like what do you love to do that you'd almost do if nobody paid you? And now you're fueling this inner passion, that you're kindling this fire within you. Man, you'll never work a day in your life if you're doing what you love to do and what you're good at. So stop messing around in the job that you can't stand and find your passion, discover what you're good at, and you'll never work a day in your life. My name is Don Livonius with Victory Performance Consulting, helping you drive results. Thanks for watching.